Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open the setting panel, click on power icon and click on restart. After click on restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on network and internet. Now here you see airplane mode, and if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone, and if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on erase all data and factory reset, click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, music, photo, video files will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.